Looking to achieve that professional showroom shine from the comfort of your garage? The best buffer for car waxing can save you time and effort while delivering flawless results. Discover top-performing options today with high-tech picks guiding your choice. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. SPTA Car Waxing Buffer. The SPTA car waxing buffer is designed to give both professionals and car enthusiasts the ability to polish and restore vehicles with ease. Built with a powerful 110-volt 6.5A dual-action motor delivering 750 watts, this machine is strong enough to handle swirl marks, scratches, and oxidation, while remaining safe for painted surfaces thanks to its random orbital movement. Its 6-speed variable control dial ranging from 2,000 to 5,200 RPM makes it adaptable to a wide range of tasks. Lower speeds are ideal for gentle waxing and buffing, medium speeds handle cleaning and polishing, and higher speeds are reserved for removing paint defects or heavy oxidation. One of its standout features is the smooth start and constant power function, which ensures that the buffer maintains stable operation throughout use. This makes it convenient and less fatiguing, even during longer detailing sessions. Its ergonomic design enhances its usability. The unit comes with both a side handle and a D handle, giving users flexibility and comfort to operate it from different angles. Its lightweight body makes it easier to maneuver across larger surfaces, and the detachable handles make storage and handling simpler. Another advantage of this buffer is its versatility beyond just car waxing. Thanks to its adjustable speeds and included accessories, it can also be used for polishing motorcycles, sanding wood, treating furniture, or even working on metal and flooring projects. This wide range of uses makes it a multifunctional tool worth having in any garage or workshop. Number 2. VERVEWAVE Car Waxing Buffer. The VERVEWAVE Car Waxing Buffer is a cordless solution designed for convenience, compatibility, and professional results. Built to work seamlessly with DeWalt 20V lithium-ion batteries, though batteries and chargers are sold separately. This buffer offers an excellent option for users who already own DeWalt tools and want to maximize their battery systems. The polisher is powered by an upgraded brushless motor, which delivers more torque, less noise, and greater efficiency compared to brush motors. This design not only provides smoother operation, but also extends the lifespan of the machine, making it a more durable investment. Performance is further enhanced by 6 variable speed control ranging from 1800 to 5500 RPM. This wide speed range makes the buffer highly adaptable for different detailing tasks. At lower speeds, it's ideal for waxing and gentle polishing, while medium speeds are perfect for routine cleaning and maintenance. For tougher jobs like removing oxidation, paint defects, or scratches, the higher settings provide enough power to get the job done effectively. Another feature worth noting is the ergonomic extended handle, which gives users better grip and control. The handle is coated with soft rubber, ensuring comfort and reducing fatigue during long polishing sessions. In addition, the upgraded lock switch adds a layer of safety, preventing the polisher from accidentally restarting when swapping or recharging batteries. In summary, the VERVEWAVE Car Waxing Buffer is a smart cordless solution with excellent versatility, durability, and user-friendly design. Its DeWalt compatibility makes it even more appealing for those who already own DeWalt tools. For anyone looking for a safe, reliable, and high-performance polisher that offers freedom of movement, this buffer is a solid choice. Number 3. Makihara Car Waxing Buffer. The Makihara Car Waxing Buffer is a robust and efficient option engineered with a powerful 900-watt pure copper brushless motor. Unlike traditional brushed models, this motor requires no carbon brush replacements, making it more durable, reliable, and long-lasting. It also operates with lower noise and vibration, offering the smoother, quieter, and more comfortable polishing experience. Designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike, the brushless motor provides consistent speed and stability, ensuring high-quality results across different detailing projects. This polisher is equipped with two 21V 3.0 Ah high-capacity batteries and a quick charger, ensuring uninterrupted operation. The dual battery system allows one battery to be in use while the other charges, eliminating downtime and ensuring that you can work on large projects without worrying about running out of power. The cordless design also makes it more convenient and portable, letting you work anywhere without being tied to an outlet or tangled cords. The Makihara buffer offers 6 speed variability ranging from 1000 to 5200 RPM, allowing it to adapt to a wide range of tasks. Lower speeds are perfect for waxing and buffing, mid-range settings handle polishing and cleaning, while higher speeds tackle tougher paint corrections such as oxidation and scratch removal. The random orbital design ensures safe, uniform polishing without the risk of damaging the paint. Weighing just about 4 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, which reduces fatigue during longer polishing sessions. The inclusion of a 15mm random track increases polishing coverage, improving efficiency for larger areas.
Number 4. The Orgpek Tech Car Waxing Buffer. The Orgpek Tech Car Waxing Buffer provides a highly convenient cordless design that makes polishing and waxing more enjoyable and less restrictive. With its battery-powered operation, users can say goodbye to tangled cords or searching for nearby power outlets. This freedom allows greater flexibility, whether working indoors, outdoors, or in tighter spaces. Each battery delivers around 40 minutes of working time, and thanks to the fast charging system, batteries can be fully recharged in about 1.5 hours. This combination ensures efficiency and uninterrupted operation during longer detailing sessions. Despite its compact design, the Orgpek buffer is built with 50 watts of power, which is more than enough to handle everyday car polishing and waxing needs. From removing light scratches and stains to restoring gloss and shine, this buffer provides consistent and smooth results. With 6-speed variable adjustments, it gives users precise control over different detailing tasks. Lower gears can be used to handle delicate imperfections, while higher settings tackle deeper scratches, oxidation, and paint corrections. The orbital design ensures an even finish without risking damage to the paint surface.
Number 5. SPTA Cordless Car Waxing Buffer. The second SPTA model in this lineup, the SPTA Cordless Car Waxing Buffer, focuses on portability and ease of use while still delivering strong performance. Unlike its corded counterpart, this unit eliminates cord restrictions, offering complete freedom of movement. Its copper motor is designed with anti-interference technology, ensuring efficient operation with reduced noise levels. The cordless design makes it especially practical for users who need to work outdoors, away from outlets, or in areas where maneuverability is key. The 8mm random orbit motion ensures smooth, even coverage across surfaces, reducing the risk of damage to paint while achieving a professional finish. In conclusion, the SPTA Cordless Car Waxing Buffer offers a balance of convenience, portability, and reliable performance. It's an excellent choice for those who want an all-in-one solution for detailing without being tied to a power cord, making it a practical tool for both hobbyists and serious detailers. Choosing the right buffer can make all the difference in achieving a flawless finish. Each of these hype-tech picks offers unique strengths from cordless convenience to professional-grade power. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned detailer, the best buffer for car waxing ensures effortless shine, lasting protection, and versatility, helping your vehicle look its absolute best every time.